As we said, each student should be responsible for finding their own article and then making that draft. It should be about 2 to 2.5 pages in length, and you should summarize the article, you should talk about the different sections of the article, and you need to critique the article. So first you turn in that draft, I give you a little bit of feedback, you fix that draft, you turn back in a final copy of that draft, and that will be your final copy, and you will receive an individual grade on that portion of the assignment on the annotated bibliographies. So let me show you some examples. Luckily, we have some examples in the course. So I'm in our course right now. You can see it's like 376, okay? Under the Content tab, if you scroll all the way down to Resources, right here, you have preparatory quizzes, cognitive projects, and here's the group research paper and presentation, okay? And that's where we are. And if you go there, there's the instructions, which, like I said, are a little bit out of date for our class. They're for the on-campus. But there are a whole bunch of annotated bibliography examples here. So the one that I've been linking to the most is this one. And this is just an example of what we're looking for. So you can see here's the reference. It's in APA style. It looks really good. Here you can see how they summarized their article. They kind of talk about, give us a little bit of an intro. They go through the different sections. So who are the participants? What did they actually do? It looks like they did a questionnaire. They talk about some of the results, and then kind of the general implications and findings. And then here's their critique. So they're talking about kind of the strengths and the limitations of the study. And as you can see, it's about 2.5 pages, it looks like. Yeah, 2.5 pages. So this is a great example of an annotated bibliography. Here's another one. It looks like this maybe has multiple examples on it. So if you follow kind of the general this general example and pattern your annotated bibliography after this, you should be in really good shape, and you should do really well on that section of the assignment, which, as I've said before, is individually graded, and then you will be in a good position to eventually take all of those different bibliographies and combine them with your group, which I will talk about in my next screencast. Thanks, guys.